And you know what? Let me go back to the clock. Let's see if we can get up this hill. A little bit more challenging of a hill, but I'm not killing myself getting up it. Not bad at all, actually. Not bad at all. I have to say, I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed with the 750 watts. This is another gradual climb hill, which again is very comfortable. I'm not killing myself. Going a lot slower than I usually do. But then again, I'm not overexerting myself going up that hill, which is the whole point of the front hub. So, did I lose speed? Yes. Am I going to be in better shape because of it? Hell yeah. Now I'm going to ride the throttle all the way home and see how much this kills my battery. I'm not doing any pedaling whatsoever. I'm just on the throttle. See if this overheats the controller, because I'm halfway on the throttle. Well, I'm almost all the way on the throttle. And I'm going a steady 14 miles an hour. Not pedaling or nothing. I'm just cruising. And it's only, the wattage is only 350. As compared to before, it was way up in the 900s, 1,000 watts. I better slow down here. I can still hear the motor working, but it's not working as hard as I thought it would. So let me give you my overall impressions of the downgrade from 1,000 watts to 750. Given my size and everything, I thought it would be a problem going up major hills. Wasn't no problem at all, really. I did lose about 10 miles an hour worth of speed because I'm used to going 20, now I'm going 14. On a bike, going 20 miles an hour is damn fast. He hit that bump pretty hard. Like his equipment was bouncing in the back. All right, we're going to go up another slight hill here. Again, I'm only using 350 watts out of the 750 I have available to me. Well, now it's up to 400. But still, I haven't lost a bar yet on my screen. And I've gone, altogether, I've gone about 7 miles. You know what? I'm very impressed. To be honest with you guys, it's still a very comfortable ride. I'm getting more exercise this way because I'm pedaling a lot more. Oh, here comes the speed bump. So in the long run, this may be beneficial because I do have to pedal more. I do have to put some more work into it. But I was very impressed going over the expressway of how easily I got up that hill. So for all you big guys out there who are thinking about just getting a 750 watt motorbike, you're not going to get speed with it, but not like you would with 1,000 watts, because I'm 300 plus, and if you're half my size, you're going to be going faster and you're going to be getting a lot more range. So, like I said, I'm very impressed. I'm not going to lie. I'm very impressed. The screen hasn't acted up on me. It hasn't had any of those glitches that it had before. So obviously, the screen and the controller could not handle the 1,000 watts that I had available before. So I'm going to shut up and concentrate on the traffic here. I took a chance. I didn't even bring any of my repair equipment. Oh, that's not a good thing to do, ma'am. Ma'am, that was foul, man. Man, guys, I'm impressed. So I gotta say, I'm very impressed, man. Now I'm just gonna throttle this thing all the way home now. I have not lost one bar.